Hi, I'm Zainab. I'm an education officer for MyBnk, and today I've been delivering Money Twist, which is our flagship financial education program. Money Twist covers many things such as tax, why do we pay it, what's national insurance for, pensions. We also look at different careers and how to figure out your net pay at the end of the month. Budgeting, really important skills like knowing the difference between what you need and what you actually want, how to manage your money in that sense, and looking at where we've invested.
Let's go.
Today has really changed about how I think about money. I realised that the way I think of money is that it technically grows on trees and that I can just spend what I want, when actually I need to start saving, I need to do things that are important.
Today has been really helpful because I'm able to look after my money and sort out ways to save up money in the future.
I've learned about tax and how much you get taxed depending on your salary. And I've also learned the difference between necessity and want.
What's impressed me is the techniques that are being used. For example, with facilitators I've got in my room, he originally walked in with a didgeridoo, but it was that change in style which I thought was actually more surprising because it got the kids engaged, it got them listening, it got them thinking about what the sessions were about, because the facilitator himself was extremely energetic. The way he was coming across with his ideas was just fantastic. He got the kids up. Some of the students who were quite shy, or we've got some students who were quite difficult that didn't want to take part, he's actually got them on board. They're all working, they're all up out their seats, they're all engaged, they're all smiling. For me, that it feels that they've actually learned quite a bit today.
One of the things that we did was the Investigator Challenge. We get the young people to actually decide where they want to put their money, and they can choose from things like cash NISAs or stocks and shares. And it was so fun because I've never seen the young people react as well as they did today.
Before today, I actually thought mobile phones, laptops, PlayStations and things like that. I thought those were what I needed in life, but I realised they're not what I need.
I always feel like I never got told this, and I think looking back, if I had been told just some of the basic facts that we cover, let alone the depth that we actually cover with young people, I probably would have made better decisions with my money, been more sensible and had more right now in my life.